Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, we have today one job opening from Cisco and one from the Dell to discuss. It's for the freshers. So, let's discuss that in full, like the eligibility criteria, how can you apply, everything in detail. So, before that, if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and as well as activate the bell icon as well. So, once you activate the bell icon, you need to enable the option all so that only you will get the notifications regarding any video that we upload. Okay, especially when coming to these kind of hiring videos, the link will be only applicable for a certain period of time, so it is very important that you get the notifications at the right time and you get to apply it at the same. Okay, so let's start with it. First, let me start with Cisco. So Cisco is hiring for the technical systems engineer. It's an intern opportunity. So obviously, what is the importance of internship and the exposure that you're getting through there, because internship you will be getting you will be getting as much exposure that employee is getting in the industry, like how it's functioning, how to proceed and everything. So by the time you getting converted into a full-time employee, then you will have a greater outlook toward the Indian industry and how this IT sector is working upon. So you will be a good employee there and you will get to perform well at the early stages of your full-time employment itself. Okay, so this is very important. So this opportunity is at the location Bangalore. And now coming to the eligibility criteria, who you are. Okay, so currently pursuing a bachelor or master's of engineering degree in computer science or information science. So computer science related branches, bachelor's of masters of in engineering is completely fine here. And CGP criteria is 8 above, that is 8 point above on 10 or above. Okay, then the requirements is only for 2020 out pass that out. That means this is only for 2022 pass out students. Then excellent written and verbal communication skills must be fluent in English. Then ability to simply and effectively communicate complex technical concepts to stakeholders, strong problem solving insights and abilities, attentive to detail, professional in VPN technology, software, load balancing, DNS, application gateways, VB script, hardware, diagnosis, IP, network protocols, firewalls, and database. So these many technical things you should have like the basic foundation inside. So this is for 2022 pass out, the freshers who's currently doing their final semesters. So you don't need to have a hands-on experience or this much years of experience in that. You just need to know what all these things are. So most of these will be there in your syllabus itself. So please to brush up for this opportunity. Okay, now familiar with standard programming languages, scripting and automation skills using a API, able to integrate third-party platforms or the products into IT provider services, knowledge and experience with servers of various operating systems or middleware technologies in an enterprise private or hybrid cloud infrastructure, knowledge and experience with Cisco UCS and virtualization technologies, HS, Intersight, etc. for compute environments. Then proficiency in CIO CD tools, then security mindset, orchestration, configure management, use development technologies and database technologies and such as relational, that is Oracle as an example. Then good at cloud connector, container technologies such as AWS, GCP, Azure, Cloud Rain, native Kubernetes, and API. So they want you to have these many things. I mean, the basic knowledge in these many things. So if you feel like, okay, you can take up to this position, obviously you can try that. And 2022 batch students, this is a very good opportunity for you to start your career. Okay, so what you will be doing. So once you get into this position, what all things you will be performing there is written over here. We can just go through that and know about the process that you will be handling out there being in this position. Now to apply for that, you can click on this apply button and continue with the application process. So first, if you have already registered career, then you can log in with that, or else you can just register for the like fresh new venture. And after that, upload your resume, then fill the form and apply to this position. Okay, so this is how we do register. And they have mentioned one thing that at the end of this page, you can see which they have highlighted. The please note this position is to advertise potential job opportunities. The requirement is only for 2022 pass out. This exact role may not be open today, but could open in the near future. When you apply, Cisco representative may contact you directly if a relevant position opens. That means that it is only for 2022 pass outs, and this is kind of job opening that do comes up in Cisco. Currently there is no job opening. I mean, it is not like immediate joining, but according to the applications that they are receiving for this particular opening, they will recruit students for the internship. Okay, and from the what the survey, the Cisco is a very good opportunity, or Cisco is a very good space for the interns to flourish, and many of the employees there, like 80% of employees are they satisfied, so make use of these kind of opportunity. Okay guys, so coming to the stipend details, they do provide the stipends as well in India, that most of them have got a good amount of stipend. So 3 4 plus LPs is the stipends that is averagely available. It differs with different things, but I would suggest you to focus on the exposure that you're getting, and the stipends is a side by thing that you're getting. Okay, when coming to internship position, because exposure is one of the main point that you should listen when it comes to the internship opportunities. Okay, so next we can move on to the Dell. We have a very good opening at Dell, so let's discuss that. Before that, we have a class, I mean, we have a live crash course session that is for TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, Accenture 10 years question paper session that is going to start by 27th of November, and the end date is by 11th of December. So the timing is from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Your recordings, materials, and live sessions for you to clear your doubts, everything will be available under this course. So whole of this package is available to you at 199. So in case if you want to access this, if you want to enroll to this, please go with the link that I've mentioned in the description. You can just apply to that, and after 50 seats we may raise the amount, I mean the amount for that. So if you have still the time, so please do make your registrations if you wish to get to prepare things and apply for the exams. Okay, yeah, so next go for the Dell. So there's a bright opportunity in Dell as well. So it's a software engineer title at Bangalore. So here they have mentioned the essential requirements. That is it's an entry level position requiring basic knowledge of programming languages, operating systems, and databases, debugging skills for simple programs using either written or verbal design specifications, a good understanding of hardware and software interactions, first-hand experience with server, storage, networks, and client technologies, insight into software architectures and applications. Okay, so this is about the Dell technologies provided. Now, desirable requirements will be first-hand experience gathered during the internship, student job, or related professional role. Okay, so that is, they want you to have very basic computer science related things, that is programming, operating system, debugging skills, and everything. And they want you to have some of the hands-on experience through internship or student job or related professional role. Like if you have got into a job and it's been just few months or approximately an year, then even you can try applying to this job. They're welcoming you here. Okay, so this is a position, or this is the opportunities where the internship opportunities do make you or add up your value. Okay, so that's it. And what all things that you'll be doing there, being a software engineer Dell, will be as mentioned over here. You can say you will. Okay, so just go through that to know about the things that you will perform. Okay, so that's about it. And they have mentioned application closing date is by 15th of December. So please make sure that you apply before that. Okay, and they have mentioned this they haven't mentioned about a particular batch. Okay, it's applicable only for a particular batch. So that is, since they have mentioned any student job internship, those kind of students can also apply. 2020 21 in 19 students, if you have relevant experience for that, then yeah, you can try applying to this. Okay, and 2022 students, if you have went for any kind of student job related to this, it do differs with the university that you're handling. If you have that also, you can try applying to this. Okay, so basically 2021 22 are the batches that is having opportunities in this video. Okay, so Cisco and Dell together. So this is about it, and to apply for that, you can go with this link mentioned. You can just click on this apply now button and continue with the application process. So this is the steps you have to take care of. You need to fill all this, and after that you can submit. So after that, you have, if you have already registered to that, you no need to do this. You can just skip the step and you can sign in. Okay, sign in directly to the Dell jobs. Okay, so this is how you log in. So when you log in, you have options like apply manually, you connect with LinkedIn, or else you can like apply with resume. So choose any of the options available and make sure that while you go for the resume part, customize your resume with the requirements that they have mentioned in the eligibility criteria, in the requirement criteria. Okay, so just customize it accordingly and try applying it here. So once you apply, you will get the response through mail regarding the selection process, everything in detail. Okay, so the last day to apply this is on 15th of December. So make sure that you apply before that. And coming to the CTC provided, obviously for the freshers in Dell, 5 plus 5.5 plus LPAs is the average salary provided. They have mentioned regarding the internship and student job, professional role, everything. So according to the kind of experience and the depth of experience that you're having, it differs accordingly. It differs. So obviously you can gain up to 6 plus LPAs here. So that is the complete details about Dell. So I think the details regarding the job opening from Cisco and Dell is pretty much clear to you all. So everyone who is eligible, please to apply it at the earliest as soon as you watch this video. Take the links from the description and apply it. And if you wish to get enrolled to this course also, you can get the link from the description and apply it. Okay, and start preparing. Without preparation, you cannot track anything. Like luck will not stand beside us every time. Okay, so prepare your best, do our part correctly, and rest will fall apart. Okay, so that's it, guys. So if you have any further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.